paying more for farm machinery but getting less performance. Farmers and agribusinesses often struggle to find reliable machinery at the right price. Poor quality equipment and unverified suppliers can lead to breakdowns, delays, and higher maintenance costs. That's where the B2B growth ecosystem, powered by Pepagora, helps businesses source smarter. It connects you with verified suppliers offering the best farm machinery deals for agricultural use. Compare options, find trusted manufacturers, and invest in equipment built for productivity. Get the right machinery at the right value for your farm operations. Explore the B2B growth ecosystem on Pepagora and discover trusted suppliers today. Visit the link to get started.